Hi everyone, hope you're well. Today in this video I will show you how to Pinterest add to cart tracking setup. So let's do the point. First of all, you can see Pinterest recommended event. So today I set up add to cart. So first of all, go to your Google Tag Manager account. Then first of all need a preview. That's why I select preview and connect your website. Then you can see already Pinterest tag is set up. That's why Pinterest tag is working properly. As well as if you want Pinterest helper tag helper to show initialize an event is fired properly, no issue. Then need a one product select. So I select just product color and hopefully you can see view item is fired. As well as view item fired to Pinterest page view tag is fired. As well as if you want you can check the Pinterest tag to page view event is fired. As well as if you want your check your event, that means variable like product ID and product category, this is working properly, no issue. Today I set up is add to cart tracking. That's why when visitor just click is add to cart, then I track. So when I click add to cart, hopefully you can see Google Tag Assistant to show add to cart event is fired. So you can see add to cart tag is fired. So I need this event. That's why I just copy first of all. Then go to your Google Tag Manager. Then need a first of all tag. That's why I select new tag, tag configuration. Then just search Pinterest. So you can see Pinterest tag. Just select Pinterest tag. I need a Pinterest tag ID, so I already constant tag ID. That's why I select just this tag ID. As else, I already create in email hash. That's why VLV email hash. And today I will set up is add to cart event. That's why I just select add to cart. Then hopefully you can see order below. What is order below? Go to the here. First of all, need a process. So that's why just select this process. So I already orderable is created. So just PLV dot value selected and need a currency DLV. Then need a order quantity, right? So do again world temperature and quantity. Hopefully you can see. Yeah. This. So first of all, e-commerce, then item, then quantity. So I already this event is properly set up. So I need a quantity. So first of all, select e-commerce. This first of all need a variable. To order quantity, just click plus icon. Then need a built-in variable configuration. And this is a data layer variable. Just select data layer variable. Just copy, then dot. Then go back your tag system. Need a e-commerce dot item quantity. So just copy. Then 0 dot quantity, and this is the So you already see my Pinterest add to cart is set up, and right now I check is properly working or not. That's why I select preview and just connect your website. Then you can see already is connected, and hopefully you can see Pinterest tag helper to show initialize is paired properly. You can see Google tag assistant to fire. Then next event is page view event. Just I select individual product and select just color. Hopefully you can see view item is paired as well as Pinterest page view tag is paired. So wait. Okay, then next step is my add to cart. So today I set up add to cart is properly working or not. We have checked, no problem. Then tag is done. Hopefully you can see Pinterest add to cart is tag is fired. Now you can check. Okay, this is my net issue, no problem. You can check another way, like go to the your Pinterest account. So I go to the my Pinterest account. So you can see tag assistant to show all tag is properly working, no problem. Then go to the your Pinterest tag, then go to the your business hub, then go to the your account overview, again business hub. Okay, okay, then you can see conversion, just select conversion, and you can see add to cart is fired. Page view add to cart and initialize is fired. So thank you so much. If you need any help for Google as Facebook as conversion API, like Facebook conversion API, Pinterest, Snapchat, you can feel free tell me. As well as if you have any question, you can tell me, no problem. I will help you my best. Thank you so much. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you.